Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about equipment. So in this demo account that I have here, you can see that if I go here to document types, I have different type of documents that I'm tracking expiration dates for. So in this account, I'm tracking expiration dates for inspections, battery, calibration, maintenance, right? Different type of things that I need to track for my equipment. And for that equipment, I'm going to jump here to the equipment module, and you can see now that I have a list of all the equipments that I'm tracking within my company. This equipment can be anything. So think about computers like laptops, phones, PCs, and they can also be like other type of equipment like fire extinguishers, for example, if you have those in your company. AEDs, they also need to be renewed at specific timing or date. So in a fleet company, maybe you can have different type of equipment like snow blowers, lawn mowers, all of those need inspections and maintenance. So you can track all those equipment here in Inspiration Reminder. So you can see a list of all the equipment here, okay, that I have. And I can see you can track the type of equipment here, serial number, brand, model, tags, right? And if I click on a specific one here, and I can see that detail. So here I can track the brand, the model, serial number for that equipment, location where it's located, right? Who has it assigned, so I can track who has that specific equipment assigned to. Purchase price, release value, and you can even track custom fields if you needed to. And now I can see specific expiration items that I'm tracking for this equipment. So I'm tracking the warranty, calibration time, and battery when they need to be replaced. And then you will receive automatic reminders when these items are about to expire. You can also attach documents. Think about the manual, like maybe the user manual for that equipment. You can have it in here. Warranty documents, POs, those can be part of the attachments. Roadmaps here, notes for that equipment. You can also have notes for those. So you can have different information tracked for this equipment, okay? So you can have those equipment, like let's say any type of those, and you can even customize the type of equipment. So this type here, you can customize and create your own as needed, okay? And now when you go to your dashboard, you have a full overview of all your equipment, what's going on, what needs your attention, what's expired, what's current, and what you need to work on. So equipment is a very great module in Expiration Reminder, allows you to track all of that. And you can even have it for specific people, like in a person format here, an employee. You can see what equipment they have under assigned to them. Like in here, this one, I can see that Jessica has 2 equipment assigned under her. So you can also have that information track in there for those. So yeah, those are equipment. So remember to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Thank you.